Hey everyone, Technomentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a picture while recording a video on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing is go ahead and open up your camera app. And once you open it up, simply go ahead into the video mode. And if you're recording a video, you simply click on it. And as you can see here, you'll be starting to record a video. Now, in order to also take a picture at the same time, you just simply click on that icon right here. And if you do that, it'll automatically take a picture and save it to your photos. So as you can see here, I'm just going to click on a few times just to show you a couple of the photos, and then I can stop the video. And whenever you're done, you can also go into your Photos app and you'll see these photos that I clicked while I was recording, but then the full video is also here for me. So that's how you can do two things at once, where you can take a picture and record at the same time on your iPhone. Pretty cool feature. I hope this video was helpful and you guys found this tip useful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys in the next one.